welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a very exciting one for me because I finally purchased something I have been wanting since I can remember. I say since I can remember. I've wanted these for about 3-4 years now, since I started uni, and every time I see someone wear them, every time I see them like in a picture, I'm just like, I'm in love with those. They are the most me shoes out there. So they're shoes, they are from Louis Vuitton, so they were a little pricey. They're the Star Trail boots. I don't know if you guys will know. So this is how it came, but I've already taken them out the box and everything so you guys can see them. If you saw on my Instagram, you would have seen the picture of literally seconds after I had bought them, and I look very happy in it. They were £990, and I mean, look at them. So if you're an OG subscriber, you probably hear me say chunky boots all the time. I wear chunky boots every day. Like, I like having a heel about this height. I like it being chunky rather than stiletto, just because I can walk in it all day long without any problems. So these are my style boot, and I've been loving brown at the moment because I think it really brings out my hair, and I just thought, you know what? I need to stop wanting them and actually just get something for myself, because it would get to the point where I would save the amount of money for them and I'd be like, right, I've put it to one side. But in my head, I'm just thinking, £990 for one pair of shoes. Like, I just think I could spend that on so much more useful things, or I could spend it wiser. But then I just went through a stage of, I don't really buy much for myself anyway. I'm always saving. It's just in my mentality. And I mean, it got to, I think, 4 times I had put the money aside and then just not being able to do it. And I was with my partner Eden on Saturday, and we were doing a cocktail making class actually, which was really fun. And it happened to be near Bond Street, which is where the Louis Vuitton store is in London. And we just went in to try them on. I mean, I wasn't thinking about buying them, and I tried them on, and they are the perfect shape for my foot. Like, they fit my feet so nice, they're really comfy, and I had this sudden wave of confidence and just thought, you know what, I'm going to buy them, and the rest is history. Here they are. So they do have leather laces, which is nice, and they're lovely. I'm just whacking my stairs with them. I haven't worn them outside yet though. I think I need to. That's going to take some confidence. I'm not scared to wear them outside. I think I just need to do it once and then I'll be absolutely fine. I think I don't know, they're just so perfect right now. And I mean, that makes it real. As soon as you wear them outside, that's it. But they came with, I'll get the box out. So they come in a nice big orange box, and it's kind of like a drawer. Like, normally it's not a normal shoe box, but then it's not normal prices for shoes. So it comes with individual like protection bags for the shoes, one for each, which is kind of cool. It had a ribbon that wrapped around it, which just says Louis Vuitton on it. I said Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton, LV. I don't pronounce things right at the best of times, so probably getting this one wrong. I might do something with this ribbon. I don't know what, but I mean, I paid a lot for this brand, and I'm going to use every inch of the packaging too. Maybe people wear them as hair bows, don't they? Maybe I could do something with it. But it comes with all of that, and then it doesn't actually come, like, the only authentication stuff I have for it is the receipt, which is fine, but I would have thought they'd give more. I'm not expecting like a certificate with them, but I just would be worried, you know, if I did ever want to sell them on, which I never will because I am in love with them. It's kind of scary that the only proof you have is this little paper receipt, which they do give to you in a nice little envelope, but I'm going to scan this because I've got to keep this safe. And then it also comes with a spare pair of laces as well. So I know they're really expensive shoes, and a lot of people, especially in my family, think I'm crazy for getting them, but I really like them, and I took a long time to get them. Like, I didn't just walk into a Louis Vuitton store and was like, right, yeah, I'll just have those. Like, I've wanted them for ages, and I know I'm justifying it right now, but I'm justifying it for myself as well, because £990 is a lot of money. What's that, like a tenth of a house deposit? Like, it's scary. But I love them, and I will wear them a lot, and I'll look after them, and hopefully they will last me as well. And they do come with a 2-year warranty, I believe, so probably doesn't cover wear and tear, but any faults in them, they'll fix, which I would hope would be the case. And I hope their customer service is ace, because you got to be paying for something. But no, I love them. So this was just a quick little video to showcase this is my first proper designer purchase. Like, yeah, I bought the Dior makeup collection over Christmas, which I've then utilized the bag into a clutch, but these are like my first proper designer pair of shoes, and I love them. So that's all exciting. And my first ever Louis Vuitton purchase. So I'm not going to be doing it every month, that's for sure, but I do have a little wish list, if you like, and I think it's good to treat yourself sometimes, and I definitely struggle with that. So I need to, you know, if I really want something and I know I'm going to wear it, I don't think there's too much of an issue with it. As long as you're not spending beyond your means or, you know, abusing someone else's income, I think it's all fine. Unless they're into that. I don't know. But these are my new babies and I love them to pieces. So yeah, that's today's video. I really do hope you enjoyed. I hope you love the shoes and won't judge me too much for spending so much on them. It's amazing. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll link on my social media down below and hopefully I'll see you next time.